drops beneath my shoes. Cities dancing in the mist under skies of silver hues. Laughter echoes in the wind, strangers sharing grins and glee. Raindrops play a joyful tune, perfect day for combo danaku. Puddles form a mirror maze, reflecting all our lovely smiles. Watch the world through liquid lens, journey stretches for miles. Holding hands with destiny, splashing dreams in every step. Underneath the cloudy sky, secrets that we both have kept. Laughter in the rain, my friend, will be young until the end. Every droplet sings a song, reminding us where we belong. Chasing storms with open hearts, dancing till the daylight starts. Find our rhythm in the rain, let's get lost and start again. See the colors intertwined in the prism of the storm. Whispers through the hazy air, keep our spirits safe and warm. Feel the thunder's gentle hum, like a heartbeat in the night. Love's the lightning in my chest, keeps me safe within its light. When the sunlight fades away and the moon begins to rise, we will dance to nature's beat, write our story